Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Webflow site design step by step clearly. To begin fixing your Webflow site design, start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project you want to work on from your dashboard. Once the project opens, navigate to the designer mode. Inspect your current site layout and identify the areas that need improvement. Use the Navigator tab to locate the specific elements you'd like to modify. Select the element on the canvas that needs adjustment. Check the Styles panel on the right for customized properties. Adjust the spacing, margins, and padding to enhance the layout. Change the font size or font style in the typography section if needed. If images are misaligned, click on the image elements and adjust their properties. For background colors, select the section or div block and choose your desired color. Preview your changes by clicking the Preview button at the top left. Test the responsiveness by resizing the preview window for different screen sizes. Once you're satisfied, save your changes by clicking the Save button. Publish your site by selecting the Publish option located in the upper right corner. Open a new tab to view your live site and confirm that all changes are implemented correctly. If additional adjustments are necessary, return to the designer and repeat the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.